UBalance. Simple, natural, eco-friendly. Nowadays, our modern habits, especially in the way we consume our food, has led to modern diseases such as heart disease, diabetes and cancer. There are two major factors. First, the insufficient consumption of fibers and real, natural food. Second, excessive consumption of saturated fat, animal protein and highly processed, food-like substances. The recent food scandals such as melamine in milk and plasticizers in beverages is just the tip of the iceberg for future food scandals. Consumers are also becoming more aware that the longer a product's ingredients list, the more artificial coloring, artificial flavors, chemical additives and preservatives are added. To be healthier, we need to consume more simple products. Simple means that the product's formula is made of only a few natural ingredients, so that it's the closest to whole, real food. We believe in being more honest with the consumer. That's why our mission is to provide nutritional balance to our consumers, through the natural and sustainable use of Earth's limited resources. We want to offer our consumers simple products that taste great. So that's why we have worked hard to develop a new technology called TFL, which stands for Total Food Liquefaction. TFL is our patented, breakthrough technology that transforms fresh items such as grains, legumes, vegetables and fruits from solid to liquefied form with minimal processing and without waste. In other words, nutrient-rich skin, pulp, peel, seed, root, are all liquefied into a slurry with the full flavor and health benefits of the original produce. When we think of a natural, healthy, fresh item, many of us think soybean. We all know that soybeans are good for us. However, the way we consume it today is either nutritionally incomplete or toxic. For example, in soy milk or tofu, soybean cells are destroyed, oxidized and 30% of fiber-rich solids discarded. In soy protein isolate, which serves as base for most vegetarian meat consumed by vegans, there are about 38 petroleum compounds, including hexane. Hexane is a neurotoxin that is harmful to us and also pollutes the environment. So we came up with a solution to this problem. TFL Soy, which is fresh soybean in its liquefied, applicable form. This means that the soybean has been transformed from solid to liquid state with everything inside. Nothing is discarded during the process, including all the natural fibers present in soy. In addition, we have kept the cells intact, so that all the nutrients inside the cell are not lost or oxidized. As a comparison, in tofu or soy milk processing, all the cells are destroyed and everything inside is oxidized. That's why they have a distinct flavor that is the result of the oxidation of the fatty acids inside the cell. So what does this all mean? It means that since TFL soy is not oxidized, it has a very light and smooth taste, so that it can be added to any type of food, to improve its nutritional profile naturally and without affecting the original taste of the recipe. So TFL soy can be used to replace all or part of the milk, yogurt or egg in creamy recipes. It can be added to items such as dips, ice cream, soups, desserts, dressings, smoothies, milk tea and cookies to make them lighter and much healthier. Unlike dairy products, TFL soy has no cholesterol, no growth hormones, no antibiotics and lots of fibers to improve your digestion and protein to help you lose weight. A TFL product is the best food choice for a sustainable future because it is simple, fresh, natural, nutritious and makes the most efficient use of the Earth's resources without waste. UBalance. It's good for you. And good for the Earth.